Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the May Bella Skin Box. I'm so excited to see what's inside. So like the name suggests, this is a skincare subscription. So not only do you get great skincare, it's also all cruelty free. So this costs $35 a month. I do have a promo code, and right now with that promo code you will save $5 on your first box, and you'll also get a free item. And this is actually an item I received in a past box. I had to go grab this from my shower. It's the Dirty Lamb Lip Rock. So it's a lip scrub. I really like this. I use my lip scrubs in the shower. I just find it easier that way, and it's like a reminder to do it. I think this one is great. It has a peppermint scent, and yeah, you can see I put a big dent in there. So this is a $12 value. So if you guys are interested in trying this box, especially after I open it, make sure to use that promo code. It is KittyBox in all caps. I will put this on the screen and down below. So today we'll be unboxing this May box, and then at the end of the video I will review the April items. If you are new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I do unboxings pretty much every single day here on our channel. I would love it if you subscribed and joined us. But anyways, let's get this box open and see what's inside. It seems like a bigger box than usual, so yeah, I'm super pumped. So this box includes anything from your head to your toes, any treatments, so you can get like hair products, mostly skincare, and you get a beauty tool every single month as well. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. So there is a card here, and it says BellaSkinBox, beautiful skin begins with skincare. Oh, it looks like we get 5 items. Typically we get 4 items in each box, and the retail value is always supposed to be over $100, but it says here the value for May is $139. So I love the little card they give out. It has a little bit of information on each of the items and also gives the pricing. I'm so excited. So like the tool we got this month, I've been wanting to try these so bad. This is by After Spa, and it's reusable cotton makeup remover pad. So I am trying to be more eco-conscious. Like I'm trying not to use any like makeup wipes anymore. And even when I use like toners and stuff, I've been using my hand instead of cotton pads. But I've heard that these reusable cotton pads are amazing. I'm so excited. So these are organic, biodegradable, and vegan, and you get 3 eye pads and 2 facial makeup removers, and a laundry bag is included as well. So it says remove makeup with just water, and they are machine washable. You simply wet the appropriate shaped pad based on the desired makeup removal area with only water. Warm water performs better, and once wet, gently wipe the softer side in swiping motions to remove makeup, and machine wash pads often in laundry bag and dry on low temperature setting. I'm so excited about this. I love that it comes in a laundry bag too, so it won't get destroyed in like the dryer especially. So here is the bag that they're in. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So these are a retail value of $10, so that's not bad. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love that we get 5 of them in here. So here are the 3 eye pads, or eye makeup remover pads, and then we have 2 for the face. This is so awesome. I am going to start using these right away. So let's see what they say on the sheet here. It says the After Spa reusable makeup remover pads remove up to 100% of the most difficult makeup with the help of the extra soft texture remover fabric with only water. It is ideal for all skin types and helps you to leave it fresh and soft. You will save a lot on wipes and makeup remover. Oh. And you'll be more friendly to the environment. Yay! I am so happy they included this. I'm already so happy with this box. But let's move on to the next item. So we have it here. Everything is wrapped up nice so it arrives safely. Oh wow! I've never heard of something like this. It's by Coco Cana Skin Cure Candle. A skin candle? It says, did you ever wish your candle was a cashmere sweater? Well, this is one, kind of. Wrap yourself in our restorative cocoon. Feel the fluttering cocoa butter kiss that is Coco Cana's Skin Cure Candle. It's infused with CBD and botanical oils and a creamy coconut wax. Create a soothing remedy with peace of body and mind. So how do you use this? So directions, make self-care lit with this multi-purpose skincare candle. Light the candle, allow the wax to melt to the edges of the jar, and then spoon into hand and apply to skin. We recommend it be used for rituals, a massage oil, moisturizer, and or as a pain salve. Cool, I've heard of massage candles before. It just smells like very earthy, like natural. But I've never heard of one that you like put on your face. I think face, can you do that? Well, it says apply to skin. So this is $35. So it says the same thing on here as what I already read. So I'm super curious to try this. And I mean, like, worst case scenario, you just have a candle that smells good and it's so cute. And it has CBD in it, and I've heard that's good for like inflammation stuff, and it could help with any pain. Like they said, it could be used as a pain salve. So I'm so excited about this. I'm loving this box so far. Let's move on to the next item here. Ooh, super cute packaging, and this is from a brand I've fallen in love with through BellaSkinBox. This is Tropical Naturals, and this is their clay facial mask. Their packaging is always so cute and tropical, which really goes along with their name, Tropical Naturals. So it says, indulge in our clay facial mask formulated with a custom blend of clays and botanical extracts that will leave your skin cleansed, exfoliated, and glowing. This mask gently exfoliates your skin, helps clear out black pores, and is filled with beneficial vitamins and nutrients to nourish the skin. It's created for all skin types. And the ingredient list is really short, which I love to see. So it's made with Moroccan lava clay, kaolin clay, illite/kaolin clay, so there's just regular kaolin clay and what they call French pink clay, and then there's rose hip botanical extract. It's vegan, preservative free, synthetic fragrance free, and cruelty free. And again, I think I said this earlier, but everything in this box is cruelty free, which I really appreciate because I only bring in cruelty free items into my collection. And then there's directions on here. So this is a powder, so you mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the clay with enough water. I keep a little bowl and a little like brush to apply my mask in my bathroom, so I'm ready to go with this. And you get 2.6 ounces or 76 milliliters in here, so this will last a while. And this is a retail value of $33. And on here, let's see if there's any additional information. It says, our facial clay masks are left in dry clay form to allow full benefits of exfoliating, drawing out toxins, calming and hydrating the skin without the use of preservatives. This means your product will last longer and you can mix with different liquids such as aloe or apple cider vinegar. Oh, interesting. I've only ever used water before. So I guess if your skin's like really irritated or maybe burnt, you can use some aloe. I've never used apple cider vinegar in my skincare. I have received something in the past that had apple cider vinegar as an ingredient, but cool, I can't wait to use this. And of course, next month I will give you guys updates on all of these items. 2 more items. I love that we got 5 items this month. Ooh, this is by Dirty Lamb. This is a brand we've received in past boxes as well, and that is the same brand as that Lip Rocks, which if you subscribe, you'll get their lip scrub. So Dirty Lamb, the Rose Petal Toner. This is a refreshing facial mist. It's natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and unisex, and there's 4 ounces in here. And looking over the ingredient list, again, a short, nice list, you have rose Damasceno water, aloe water, and witch hazel and purified aqua. So how it works, created by distilling rose petals, this is more than just a hydrating facial mist. Aloe vera moisturizes and soothes irritated, dry skin. The luxurious smell of rose petals will decrease anxiety and stress, making every day more enjoyable. Witch hazel minimizes pore size, controls oil production to balance your skin type, and decrease eye puffiness. Now that is something I suffer from. I'm excited to use this. So it just says, ideal for all skin types, 3 to 4 sprays on face any time of day. Best to spray before applying serum or creams to lock in moisture. This multi-purpose toner can be used as a makeup primer, makeup remover, and aromatherapy. Breathe in as you spray. And you can use 2 to 3 times a day for best results. And there's a tip on here. It says, store in the fridge for a cool, refreshing mist on those hot summer days. So I'm not gonna spray on my face right now because I have makeup on, but and it says it could be a makeup remover. Let's see. Ooh, it has a nice mist. Nice. It does have a light rose fragrance. It's not like super strong because it's not artificial rose, so I think this is great. Let's see how much this cost. So this Rose Petal Toner is $27. It says this antibacterial toner will work to fight against acne, eczema, dermatitis, and other harsh skin conditions. Great, can't wait to start using it. And the last item in the May box is by a brand I haven't tried yet. This is by Earth Harbor. It's their Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream. It's made with seaweed collagen and blue tansy. Ooh. It says on here it's restorative and awakening, featuring a brightening and plumping combination of seaweed collagen, blue tansy, potent antioxidants, replenishing plant oils, and soothing actives for firmer, stronger skin around the eye area. And to use, just dab a small pea-sized amount under the eyes and brow bones until well absorbed. I love that they're getting collagen from seaweed. A lot of collagen in products comes from an animal source, and I avoid those products, so I'm so glad to see this. I don't think I've even heard of seaweed collagen. I can't wait to learn more about it. And on here it says this brand is non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, no synthetics, no gluten, no GMOs, no soy, and it's woman-owned, fair trade, small batch, handmade by mermaids. So this is what it looks like. And I like the color of it. It looks like it's light blue or something. Ooh. It was sideways, so it's a little tilted, but I don't know why I always have to go to smell it. There's no synthetic fragrance, but it does have a scent, but it smells good. So yeah, it has that little like blue color, probably from the seaweed collagen. I don't know if that's color, but I know blue tansy has a blue tint, but it does blend into the skin. Yeah, I'm trying it right now. Yeah, it won't leave a blue tint on your skin. And it feels nice. I'm excited to try this. You guys, this is such a great box. I'm so excited to try all of this. So again, the retail value for May is $139. I'm literally excited to try everything, but I think what I'm the most excited about are these reusable cotton pads. Like, I cannot wait to start using these. I can't wait to stop purchasing cotton pads. Like I said earlier, I've been trying not to use them. I've just been using like my fingers for applying toner, but now I can use like micellar water to take off my makeup with these and other things. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated and let you know what I think of all these products next month. But now let's talk about the April items. I have them all here in front of me and I will go through them. So in April, we received 4 items and the retail value was $140, and I have used all of them. Let's start with my favorite item from last month, and actually I think it was the most expensive. Yeah, so this is by Save the Wave, and this is hydrating retinol serum. And I use this every other night, and I've been really loving it. So this has retinol in it, and it also has hyaluronic acid, so it moisturizes. Sometimes retinol, well, not sometimes, like usually when you first start it especially, it can be a little bit irritating on the skin. So I love that this has hyaluronic acid in it, and I feel like it's been working really well. This is $68. And yeah, so I rotate every night between retinol and exfoliators, so it's really become a staple in my skincare routine. I love it so much, and I feel like my skin's been doing pretty good. I've got like a few breakouts on my skin, but that's hormonal related. But otherwise, yeah, I feel like my skin health is looking better. I feel like my fine lines are even going down. Retinol in general takes a while to really have an effect. Like, sometimes they say it could be up to a year, so you have to be like, keep up with it. And sometimes they say start off with like once a week and work your way up, or 3 times a week. But like I said, I've been using it every other day. And since it has hyaluronic acid, I've experienced no irritation, and I am going to keep using this. Love it. Another item's right here. So this is considered like the beauty tool, I guess, for the month of April. And I love these types of items. This is by After Spa, and it's their hair towel wrap. So I rotate between this one and another hair wrap. And it really cuts your drying time in half. It doesn't like make your hair frizzy or anything like that. I think these are great. If you guys haven't used a hair turban or hair wrap before, they are so worth it in my opinion. This one is $18 and it's cute and pink, and yeah, I've been loving it. Next up, we received something by Tropical Naturals, and this is a facial serum. To me, it seems more like an oil, so for this one, I've only used it a couple times just because I didn't really think my skin needed it. It seems like it'd be really good at moisturizing, but on here it says it's good for all skin types, and it has a bunch of great claims. So it's plant-based, no alcohol, so that's good. A lot of skincare ingredients have alcohol, which I'm not a fan of. So this helps moisturize the skin. It can even fight against acne and help with scarring. And it says it even can help with cell turnover, and it's lightweight. So yeah, I do like this, and I will continue to use it, but I kind of only use it like when I feel like I need an extra like layer of moisturization. The way I use serums every day is I kind of like just rotate them depending on my skin concern for the day. And lately my skin's been feeling pretty good moisture-wise, but there was a day where I did feel a little like tight and dry, and I used this and it was great. So this contains hemp seed oil, argan oil, moringa oil, rosehip oil, cranberry seed oil, jojoba oil, sea buckthorn oil, and benzoin. Yeah, I think this was great and I will continue to use it. Like I said earlier in this video, I really like this brand Tropical Naturals. One of my favorite things I received from this brand in a previous box, and it was a hair oil or like a scalp oil. And yeah, I'm excited to try their mask we received today. And the last item is a lip treatment by Me Time Botanicals. This is called the Sweet Kisses Pomegranate Citrus Mint Lip Treatment. And it's kind of like a lip oil. I do like this. I prefer some other lip oils I have just because they have like a glossy finish. This one doesn't. And the only reason why I like that for the others is just for appearance sake. But this does work well. It is very oily, but it doesn't like leak down your face or anything like that, like you might think like an oil would spread. So I leave this in my bathroom and I apply it after I shower or wash my face. It does have a peppermint scent. It doesn't like make your lips tingle or anything like that. Some items that have peppermint oil can do that. Yeah, I've been liking this, and it has like a little roll-on applicator, so it feels nice and cooling when you put it on. So yeah, I thought April was a great month. I think May is amazing. I can't wait to start using these items. I really love BellaSkinBox. I think this is great. Skincare can be really expensive. I mean, we're getting like $140, $139 in product, and for your first box, it's only $30 if you use my code, which is not affiliated, by the way. I should have said that in the beginning. Like, I don't get anything from it, just for you guys, and you get that free product. But yeah, $30 or $35 for $140 worth of products. Like, skincare can be very costly. I think this is a great way to try cruelty-free skincare and work up, like, you know, like learn more about what works for your skin. And I've been really digging everything they send. I really love it. And I love that we get like a tool type thing like the cotton pads or the hair wrap. I don't know. I just think this box is really unique in terms of skincare boxes or beauty boxes in general, and I am loving it. I'm so happy with it. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Thank you for unboxing this with me. I hope you guys are all safe and well. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.